Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country or region first to end up within the official page. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, click on security and now you will see your password. Go ahead and click on the edit button alongside it and you will need to enter your current password first. Just type in the current password that you are using to sign into your account and then enter your desired new password underneath. After entering your desired new password, type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, your password will be changed on your account right away. And now you will be able to use this new password along with your original email address in order to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.